This episode of Hike in Vicenza will get into the woods as we leave downtown and drive to the high Agno Valley. Once in San Quirico, take a windy road to Fongara and Recoaro, but only drive as far as the quaint suburb called Borga. Park your car here as we venture into the Monti Castiglieri to reach the cross and the highest peak. The Castiglieri are a series of decreasing hills that insert into the little Dolomites and peter out in the Valley dell'Agno. Follow the narrow trail through gurgling creeks, blossoming branches, and wooded terrains, which provide a suggestive playground for light and shade. The footpath is bucolic in terms of scenery, but the way up is not exactly a relaxing stroll. Those of us with a keen eye for nature will certainly enjoy spotting wildlife, as well as a number of local botanical species. As we reach the top of the peak, now known as Castiglieron, we will get a chance to admire a spectacular view of the peaceful countryside and the mountain chains towering above it. For the way down, take the trail that will lead you on the other side of the hill to this cabin called Baita Vecia, where you can have a quick drink of water, and then make sure you take the right path, not the one near the water source, that will take you along the Sentiero Braggion as far as the Turigi pass, and from there, turn left to go back to your starting point. If all this walking has made you hungry, you can always drive to the nearby village of Recoaro and indulge in the palatable local specialties.